What did you say?
Why would I want to be with a bum?
How come no man in this room has ever said that about a girl they dated? Because you're all gold digging. We're romantic. We'll take a bum McDonald's worker. You couldn't do that. No woman's ever done that. You guys date up, we date down. That means every ex-boyfriend you've had was better than you. That's why you went because you guys date up. So you fucked up a lot. Could you marry a Burger King employee?
I don't want to.
Could any girl here do it? Has any girl in history ever done it? You're all dirty gold diggers. Admit you're and you know what's funny? That's the point. You abandoned him. Why did you abandon him?
I need someone financially at my level or higher.
But what if you're married a leader?
How come the men here don't mind if she's a bum? Because we're the romantic gender and you guys are of the devil.
Eto na kasi yung nangyari sa modern relationship. Sa sobrang dali mong makahanap ng partner, once na naging mahirap na yung relasyon mo with your partner, always yung ginagawa nila, pag nahirapan na sila, makipaghiwalay. Tinapon na nila yung idea nung wedding vows na for richer or poorer, di ba? In sickness and in health. Parati na lang, pag di na ako masaya, iwan na kita. Diba? Most of the people who are going into a relationship right now do not even know how to find out what's wrong with the relationship, with themselves, with their partners. Para magamit nila yung idea na yun towards improving their relationship. Most of the people who are going into a relationship always try to find someone who is stable rather than someone whom you could go with an adventure with. 'Di ba? Sa adventure kasi hindi lang puro saya yan. Of course, there will be problems and those problems needed to be solved by both of you. Ngayon, kung hindi mo kayang gawin yan, kahit ilang stable partner pa yung makita mo or matagpuan mo, once na may dumating na problema, boom! Hiwalay ka agad kasi nga wala kayong idea kung paano mag-solve ng problema. Dagdag mo pa yung mga taong, ba't ko pa pag-iisipan ng malalim yan? Kasi eto lang naman yan, cheating is cheating lang naman yan, diba? They always tend to go to the easier way out kasi nga, alam nila sa sarili nila na andyan naman si internet, andyan naman si dating app para mag-flaunt ako ng kaseksihan, kagwapuan ko. But you know what? Those will expire. And pag nag-expire na siya, ano pang ipangangalandakan mo doon sa partner or probable partner na hahanapin mo? Wala na. Ano ka na lang ngayon? Kulubot na tao. Diba? Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.